Hey everyone, in this video we will see how to implement search functionality in our NEXTJS MySQL CRUD application. So back in VS Code, this is our project directory. Now first of all, let's start our server. So I am in my project directory next to MySQL and I will write here npm run dev. This will start my server and now server is started. I will visit localhost 3000 and as you can see this is our application. There's an error in the console, so we'll open our project and from here we will open components folder, and from components folder we will open pagination.js file. Here in the li tag we will pass a key prop and its value will be page. This will solve the issue, and as you can see now issue has gone. So now we will implement the search functionality. So in the helpers folder we will make a file search.js, and in this file we will make a function search and we will export it. So I will write export const search, and here we will accept two values. The first one is data and the second one is search query. And then here we will make a variable const search the data, and in this variable we will store the filtered data. We will write return data element dot username dot includes search query, and from here we will return search the data. So we will write return search the data like so. And now in our components folder open layout.js file. Here we will make a state of search query. So we will write const search query, and here we will write set search query, and then we will give its default value to empty like so. And here we will check if there is something in the search query, then we will make a variable right here, let search the result, and here we will write search the result is equals to search, and we will import search from helpers, and here we will give value dot users and the search query. And in the else condition we will first cut this from here and paste it here, and we will declare this variable right here, and we will remove let from here. And now here we will copy this line and we will paste it here, and here we will pass searched result like so. And now in the navbar we will pass search query as a prop, and we will pass set search query function, and in the pagination we will check if there is something in the search query, then we will pass the searched result user length, else we will pass the value dot users dot length, like so. And now in the navbar component, we will destructure search query and set search query function. And now we will pass the search query in the value of this input field. So we will write search query right here, and we will use the onChange function to check if there is something in the input field or not. And then we will call the set search query function, and we will pass event.target.value right here. And now let's see. Now let's refresh our application once again. And now let's search a term here. So I will write world, and as you can see, it has searched the user with the username world. And if I write here, you can see in the second page we have a user with username chillmax. So if I write chillmax here you can see it has given me the data of that user whose username is chillmax. So now our search functionality is working correctly. In the next video we will see how we can add employee. From here we will write the username of that employee in this input field, and we will write the email of the employee in this field, and then we will click on this add button. This will save the employee in our database and it will be rendered right here. So we will see that in the next video, guys. That's all for this video. Thank you very much.